Yes, it's still raining and it's very cold, so I've lit the coal stove to get some heat into the kitchen where I'm actually going to work today. I must be honest with you, this is not really the table that I wanted, but I decided it was fairly cheap, so I'll use this one for the time being, and once I get the one that I really want, I'll put this one in the dining room. But the pink must go. So I'm going to use some Annie Sloan chalk paint because it dries very quickly, and also it covers any surface, even varnished surfaces. So the first coat will be in a French linen color, which is a dark brown grey, and the second coat will be in old white. And then I will sandpaper certain sections to show the patterns on the table, and finally I will wax it with dark brown wax to give it a really old look. Now, I don't know if you've heard, but yesterday Sister Andre, a nun in France, turned 117, the second oldest person in the world. So last night on France 24 News, she gave some advice. Have a look.
Sister Andre attributes her longevity to a daily glass of red wine.
Je bois un petit verre de vin tous les jours. Il me le donne tous les jours.
While the fire's going, I thought I'll quickly make some nice sweet potatoes with cinnamon, butter and brown sugar. Good for the winter. In the meantime, waiting for the table to dry, so I hope the heat from the stove will help it to dry. Okay, Nadej has decided she wants to make me a little quiche for tonight. So now she is busy frying some bacon for me.
Des œufs, la crème
Des
fraîche.
Oh. So small crème fraîche and an egg and du lait.
Non, ça c'est la crème fraîche également.
Ah, crème fraîche aussi. Okay, so this is really for somebody on a diet.
Un tout petit peu de lait.
And a little dash of milk. Perfect. Don't you all wish you had neighbors like Nadej? Okay, she just added a second egg. Emmental.
Voilà.
Then you add the fried bacon, and there you've got your filling for a quiche d'Auvergne. Patrick, avez-vous faim? We are all getting hungry here. Okay, then you just pour into the dish. Et aussi pour le four.
Voilà.
Combien minutes?
Oh bah, pratiquement autant que la tourte.
Ah oui, oui, oui. Okay, so like the potato tart, will go in for about 30 minutes, and the oven is now on 200 degrees. Celsius, that is. Oh, and more cheese.
Et voilà.
Oh. C'est bon, hein?
Ah oui, oui, c'est bon. Attends, apporte la planche, comme ça je vais le mettre directement dessus. Non, non, l'autre là-bas, la blanche. Je vais le mettre directement dessus. Il est en train de me brûler.
Bien.
Ouais.
J'arrête. Now I found this old stencil, which I used upstairs on the skirting boards, and I thought, well, maybe this could work. Let's see. painting has been done, the stenciling. I have also waxed the whole table with clear wax. So it's ready to be waxed with the dark brown, which will give it an antique look. You cannot apply this directly to the paint. It will strip the paint. Therefore you need the clear wax first, a layer of that, and then you can apply the dark brown wax. But I think that will have to wait till tomorrow because it's already dark. So I'll tell you a story about 2014, the first time I came to Chile. I of course thought I could speak French after 2 or 3 months Duolingo French on the internet. So the second day I ventured out, I walked down to the village, and the first person I saw was a gentleman diagonally across from my house. He was working in his garden. So I went up to him and I said, "Bonjour, je m'appelle Leon." So he just looked at me and then he burst out laughing. You see, my name in French is pronounced Léon. Leon means lion. So he probably looked at me and thought, no, that's no lion. And since then, every time I saw him, until he moved to the old age home in 2018, he went growl and then burst out laughing again. But he was quite a legend in Chile. Marcel was the brocante champion, was also the hunting champion, and he was extremely social. He was loved by everyone. I saw him at lots of functions. He came to my exhibition opening, and he was really a wonderful, wonderful person. And about 10 minutes ago, my neighbor Patrick came over to tell me that Marcel passed away this morning. And that is why I'm burning a candle. Because it's tradition in Chile to burn a candle when somebody from the village passed away. Rest in peace, Marcel. You will definitely be missed. You can see I've started working with the brown wax just to bring out the lines of the table. And here on the gold I also applied some to take away some of the bling and give it an older look. Right, now I'm going to do the rest. Important to work in smaller sections because it can dry very quickly. Now you rub it off with a soft cloth.